Discover the beauty of wellness with Henna Cosmetics, where ancient Ayurveda meets modern self-care. We're not just about beauty products, we're about a holistic approach to wellness. Dive into our world of 100% natural hair dyes, like henna and indigo, that do more than color your hair. They nourish and revitalize, promising you strength and vitality from the roots up. But that's not all. Our Ayurveda-based supplements, including the powerful ashwagandha, moringa, and harad, work from within to enhance your well-being, doubling as potent conditioners for your hair. Our commitment? A range that's paraben and sulfate-free, enriched with nature's best like tea tree and argan oil for a rejuvenating hair care experience. Embrace our vegan, cruelty-free, and eco-friendly promise to you and the planet. Join us in redefining beauty standards. It's time to empower your natural beauty and connect more deeply with yourself and the world around you. Shop natural, shop with intention at hennacosmetics.com. Embrace your wellness journey with Henna Cosmetics.